Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by installing Edge and signing into your Microsoft account so your bookmarks and passwords follow you. Once done, grant requested permissions. Storage lets downloads work, camera and mic power site features. Make sure to accept basic prompts immediately so background sync initializes. Then set Edge as default browser if you want links to open directly. These initial steps unlock sync, collections, and autofill, features you'll use next to speed browsing and keep everything consistent. Now organize your browsing. Create tab groups or use vertical tabs to keep related pages together, which reduces clutter and context switching. Once you find resources, add them to a collection, drag links, take screenshots, and jot quick notes. Collections save time when returning to a task. Make sure sync is enabled so favorites, passwords, and open tabs replicate on your PC. This preserves continuity. If you switch devices, you pick up exactly where you left off without manual transfers. To finish, tweak privacy and download settings. Set tracking prevention to balanced or strict, clear browsing data periodically, and choose your download folder to avoid clutter. Use Immersive Reader or Reading View for long articles and enable offline reading when you need it. Make sure autofill and payments are configured if you use them. If something breaks, force close the app and clear cache, then sign out and back in. If problems persist, reinstall Edge and verify permissions and account sync. This usually resolves sync or loading errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.